Hello Haley, I'm making this video for you so you can see this Ram truck. Now, it seems okay, but I hope that you're a mechanic, or especially a body mechanic, because these rocker panels look rough. There's been some moisture in the wheel wells here. That might be okay, but this needs to be addressed, I'm sure. Everything else seems okay, but that's something I don't want you to drive 2 hours to see without knowing about. So perhaps you do know. I just want to make sure. So if you have time to give me a call, I'd be happy to go over what your offer is. Thank you, Haley.